Hi guys, my name is Chris, and let me start off by a disclaimer. Two things. First of all, yes, I'm driving in my car because my laptop broke, and I have been putting up with making videos for months now. You know, it's weird because I know I'm filming this and I'm intending to upload this to YouTube and start my channel. And I know what I'll be talking about. I'm quite comfortable talking about my personal experience and tips and tricks that I've learned over the last 12 years that I've been here in the UK, but speaking to a camera and uploading it to YouTube is something that I feel right now very uncomfortable about. I know it's not the best format right now, and I'm cautious if you like it, if the format is okay, if you benefit from it, or if this is really not ideal. I'm just trying this now because I said, well, look, I've been putting this off for so long. I've had this idea of starting my YouTube channel probably over half a year ago. And everyone said, Chris, just go ahead and do it. Just record, talk about what you want to talk about, and that's it. And don't worry about the rest. But let me tell you, I don't have a problem. You know, you can put me in a room and I can talk in front of people I've never met before. I can give presentations. I don't have any trouble with that. But when it comes to putting yourself out there on YouTube to potentially millions and millions of people, I'm get a bit nervous. Excuse me. And so yeah, this is my first video, and I just want to give you a bit of background about myself. So as mentioned before, my name is Chris. I came to the UK in October 2007, and I've been here ever since. I started off in Scotland, which was very nice, but also very cold, very rainy, so pretty depressing. Moved then on to the west coast. I'm now near London. And from a financial point of view, I had quite an interesting journey as well. Obviously, I got my first credit card 7 or 8 years ago, which was just the Lloyds TSB branded credit card. No perks, no rewards whatsoever. And back at that time, I started investing. It was a personal pension with Standard Life, into which I paid. I paid into that for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years, and then decided, well, hang on a minute, I don't know if the self-invested personal pension is really worth it. So I was looking into shares, ETFs. Never did anything really. Just put the money into a bank account, opened an ISA with Virgin Money, and that was basically all I was doing. And I can tell you right now, I was losing money, because what they pay you here in the UK, or what they used to pay you, didn't even cover the rate of inflation. So actually I was losing money. And yeah, I was pretty much uneducated up until a few years ago, when I really started to take things seriously. And I discovered that even if you're in the UK, there are so many ways to make your money go the extra mile, whether it's being in investing, which I want to talk about in my channel as well, mostly out of personal experience and products that I found very useful and very respectable, to the point of which credit card you should be getting and why you should be getting them. I will be talking about the credit cards I got and why I got them, and what you can do to improve your credit score. Don't worry, I'm not selling you any tools or anything, just things that I've done that work. They're completely free. They're honestly to be honest, common sense things. But if you don't know it, you might be new to the UK or you've never really bothered, then this might be helpful for you too. So right now the format will be that I'll be driving to and from work. I'll take the time to talk about things that are close to my heart and that I want to share with you guys. I pretty much don't have any laptops right now to do any editing on, so these will be one takes, and I hope that I don't stumble too much. So this is probably the most raw video you will find on YouTube with the least production value, so bear with me guys until I get a laptop and proper software to get this one sorted. What else is there to say? Well, of course, what I want to talk with you briefly about as well, which for me is important. You might not think of this way. I don't intend to run any ads during my videos, because the amount of times I've been watching very good YouTube channels and they're getting spammed by all those experts trying to sell you the latest dropshipping course, or to sell you any courses, or because they sold so and so many $1,000 or British pounds doing Amazon dropshipping. I'm not going to do this, and I'm not going to lie guys, I've done dropshipping, and I will talk about this in another video, and it's very hard work and the market is pretty much saturated. So I'm very skeptical. I don't like those ads, and I don't want those ads on any of my videos. So I'm not going to do this. So if you like this format, or at least the content, and I hope the content will be more than enticing enough for you to subscribe and like the video, that would mean the world to me. It's the first time I'm doing this. I'm still nervous about it. I'm still trying to find my vibe. But you would help me out. And I promise you, I've got plenty of good content coming up. Pretty much everything is based out of my personal experience. So if you want to interact, you can do so. Ask me questions. I've been in this country, as I said, for 12 years. I've been through a lot. I've learned a lot. And I can tell you, you can make your money go the extra mile in the UK as well. Even if we don't have those amazing American Express multiplier options for petrol stations or dining out, you can make your money go the extra mile. And you can do so whilst also investing and generating more money. Work for your money is not the right approach. Let your money work for you. And I've got plenty to talk about there as well. Right, I guess that's it for the first video. I hope you like what you heard. And I shall see you in the next video. And the next video, I think I'll be talking about my first American Express card that I got a couple of months ago, and why I got it, and why I think that it wasn't the best choice. So stay tuned, and I catch you guys in the next video. Thank you very much if you made it this far, and please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you very much guys. Take care.